In this video, I'm going to show you the updated method to reserve your username on Hytale. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So at the beginning of this phase, everyone could just reserve their username, but now they have some requirements. So to do it, all you need to do is create your Hytale account. Then once you are here, you will need to buy the game if you don't have it yet. So click this button and select the edition you want to buy. As you can see here, all the editions will come with a username reservation lock. So in my case, I have the cheapest one, this one, the standard edition. So once you have the game, you need to go to your account here, go to game profiles. And as you can see, here I have my username and I can reserve any username I want by clicking right here. So just put in the name you want and change it if it's available. You should see this icon if the username is available, and if it's not, you will see the username is already in use. So you can change your username every 30 days, and that's the process you need to follow to reserve your username on Hytale. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.